Any mention?
No matters for urgent listing.
Any mention?
May it please your lordship. I beg to mention item number 26, my lord.
Number?
26. I pray for 2 weeks' time, lordship. I'm not ready.
Does that matter regarding that?
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, lordship.
Why?
I'm not ready, my lord, today.
But they are ready. You're ready, no?
I'm ready, but because of other party not ready.
Yes, Mr.
Much obliged, lordship.
Please, lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, my lord.
Number?
25. It is a hearing this.
Receive Mary Woman.
Lordship. Late matter may come after some time, lordship.
Where's the other side?
I have informed Mr. Karmi is appearing, lordship.
What's the problem?
Actually, I have not prepared well, your lordship.
Don't use that excuse, yes.
Lordship.
Say personal difficulty or something. Yes, 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes.
Most blessed, lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, item number 24. The other side is Mr. Joshi. His senior passed away yesterday, so he's requested if...
Okay, yes. Put this up.
24, my lord, 24.
24. 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 27.
Number?
27. 27. Lordship, I pray that this matter may take him up after 2 weeks, your lordship.
4 weeks?
2 weeks.
Lordship, in that case, Lordship, we're only supposed to file judgments, citations.
Yes, sir.
I'll more or less, Your Lordship, but I'd like to submit some bullet points
Okay, 2
also
weeks,
along with the attachments.
Highly obliged.
You have to argue it again. Court will forget everything.
Yes, we'll do that.
Time's taken again, yes. Yes.
May please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 22, Your Lordship.
Can't hear you.
I beg to mention item 22.
22.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm praying for 1 week time, Your Lordship.
My lord, on the last occasion they said they will be
You're
doing the
appealing for
case.
which respondent?
Respondent to entry, Your Lordship.
One to
JHADC.
JHADC?
JHADC, Your Lordship.
My lord, on the last occasion they said they will do the hearing today, my lord. So if they have some difficulties, my lord, let it be taken up on the next date, my lord.
When?
1 week
We'll
time,
take it
Your
up
Lordship.
positively. There's people here without a headman.
Yes.
Or Satar. Yes. When?
1 week time, Your Lordship.
1 week.
My lord, 1 week.
1 week. Today is the?
10th, Your Lordship.
Okay. 1 week, yes.
Obliged.
Similar prayer, Your Lordship, with item 32.
But who's appearing for GCC before that matter? Who was appearing before?
For?
GCDC.
Mr. Mojika, Senior Advocate Mr. Mojika. Obliged.
Yes.
Similar prayer for item 32, Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for respondent number 5 and 2.
Short date may be fixed, my lord, on this matter.
Shortly also you'll never be ready to do.
No, my lord, this matter is already ready, my lord. On the last occasion, the senior counsel was there, my lord, to argue the matter. This is the Nehu matter, my lord.
When? 1 week?
1 week, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 31, my lord. My lord, we are processing, my lord, in the filing of the rejoinder affidavit, my lord. After
Where's
review-
the other side? Where's Rumthau? On holiday?
31.
Yes?
Yes, Lordship.
Where's Rumthau? He's on holiday.
Lordship, she's having some personal difficulty.
Okay. So she's the attendant counsel here for CGSC cases.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes? No objection?
No objection, Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged.
I beg
Yes.
to mention item number 29, Lordship, that the matter come after 2 weeks.
You're for the petitioner?
Yes, Lord.
You inform the other side?
No.
No. You inform them before you seek time.
Okay.
You're here on the matter.
Yes, Lordship. I'm for the Miryang village, Lordship.
You have objection?
No, Lordship. No objections.
What about the district council? You inform before you adjourn. Yes, you have any objection? What's his name? Yes? Unmute yourself. Okay. After 2 weeks, yes.
Right, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Lordship, item number 30.
List is gone, yes.
Your Lordship, may this matter be listed after 2 weeks since
Why?
the conducting counsel had some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
Who's his conducting counsel? Mr. Hassan?
SK Hassan, yes.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay, yes. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 23 of the hearing list.
23 has been hanging for, you were conducting it last time, I think.
Your Lordship.
You
Your
were
Lordship,
conducting
this
the matter or the
matter is
Cruz?
being handled by
By?
Mr. Kepol and Miss Katie Cruz, who we have.
You should have informed them earlier. You have no objection.
I didn't know about this. I'm ready with the...
Of course, it's part heard.
Your
The part heard.
Lordship. Only the legal part needs to be heard, Your Lordship.
It was not shown as part heard.
It's been heard, Your Lordship, but it's not reflected as part.
Also, the court's not really keen to adjourn it. Okay, 1 week, yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Who's obliged?
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Shati.
Yes, Your Lordship, I have the transfer between.
I can't hear you.
I'm having the transfer petition which I have filed because this involved both the parties are from the Kasi community.
Yes.
So I pray to Your Lordship that it should be transferred to this council.
We listed when's the other matters coming up?
22nd April.
Yes, this is matter heard Mr. P. Shati issue notice. MS is present except those we have all the respondents, no further notice called for. All the respondents?
Yes, madam.
Yes, this is matter together with other connected matters on 22nd of
April.
You come ready, you'll be disposed of that day.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Lordship, on the last day, Lordship, I had a small objection in this petition at page number 25.
Have you corrected the defects?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So, Lordship...
One second, what objection you have?
So, Lordship, it was at point number 4 of page 25.
Yes.
So, Lordship, however, upon going through the petition, Lordship, I've seen that actually the petitioner has been regularized. So, therefore, Lordship, I do not know exactly what
What is your case?
Yes, Your Lordship. Pardon, Your Lordship.
What's your case about?
My case is that, Your Lordship, the petitioner, after serving the department for 34 years, his retirement benefit is being delayed.
What benefit? Have you been given a pension now?
Leave, nothing, Your Lordship.
You retired when?
28 to 2023. 28 February 2023.
Over a year ago. We take notice then.
Lordship, I'm seeking instructions, I'm seeking time.
Of course. I heard, yeah, and you're in the panel?
Yes, Lordship.
What is your name?
My name is Jesse Thaba.
Okay, Heard Ms. Arthur Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr. J. Thapa, G is present, except notice on behalf of all the respondents. No further notice called for. Just up to 3 weeks for instructions or affidavit.
Highly obliged.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioner is the second wife of late Hazrat Ali, Lordship.
Yeah, I got it.
And petitioner number 2 and 3 are their children, Lordship. Minor children.
Number?
2 and 3. There are 3 petitioners, Lordship.
3 petitioners?
Yes, Lordship.
Why?
One is the second wife of late Hazrat Ali, and yes. 2 and 3 are their minor children, Lordship.
Why you brought the minors as petitioners?
My Lordship, this is pensionary benefits, Lordship. Because what happened?
Mother is still a guardian. They're 12 years old, 10 years old then?
Yes, Lordship. What happened in the first round of litigation, Lordship, the respondent had disputed my marriage, Lordship. That is why the writ petition was withdrawn with the liberty to approach the civil court, Lordship. Then I approached the civil court and I got a decree, Lordship. After that, Lordship.
What decree showing that you were?
Yeah, I am the legally wedded wife of late Hazrat Ali.
Okay.
Then in the writ petition, while disposing, that the court has clearly stated that other children, minor children, are entitled to get the pensionary benefits, Lordship, since they are minor. So after the decree, Lordship, I have filed a representation before the respondent authorities, communicating the decree, Lordship, but till now they have not responded, Lordship. Here I am seeking the 50% of the pensionary benefits,
yes.
Lordship.
My Lord, on instruction, I make this submission that the representation, which is at page number 35, Annexure 8, my Lord, dated 29 May 2023. My Lord, this representation the corporation may be given time, my Lord, to dispose of this representation.
MECL?
My Lord, yes.
MECL,
because, my Lord, here this representation is supported by competent court, my Lord, in which the court has decided that the petitioner can be the successor to receive the pensionary benefits of the employee of the corporation, my Lord. Therefore, this representation can be disposed of by the corporation, my Lord, in view of the decision made by the court, my Lord.
Where's the early High Court order?
My Lord, not the High Court, my Lord. We have the jurisdiction was in Assam, my Lord.
That is Lordship, 24, Lordship.
20?
24.
24?
Yes, Lordship.
What does it say?
The last part, Lordship, because para 3, the private respondent disputed the factum of marriage, Lordship. Then para 4 is relevant, Lordship. In view of the above, learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that since certain questions of facts are involved, he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty that liberty may be granted to the petitioner to approach the civil court or to take recourse to any other alternate remedy. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn with liberty to the petitioner to take recourse to remedies as may be available in accordance with law. It was further prayed that since the sons Nur Ali and Hasmi Jannat were born out of the wedlock of the petitioner with late Hazrat Ali, liberty may be granted to them to claim pension.
Of them?
My Lord, yes. My Lord, my only prayer is, Lordship, if Lordship may kindly give us 6 weeks' time, my Lord, to dispose of the representation.
Take down the petitioner number 1 is before this court with a prayer that family pension be granted to her and her minor children. 50%. 50% granted to be granted to the petitioner and her minor children. Stop. Next part. The brief facts are that the petitioner's husband, one late Hazrat Ali, who was serving under the respondent corporation, had married the petitioner, who stated to be the second wife. Second wife. Second wife. Stop. Second wife. So the same. On an earlier round of litigation, the petitioner had approached this court by way of WPC number. Where's the order? 24. By way of WPC number 208/2017.
208, Lordship.
And by order dated 23/7/2019, dated petitioner, in view of certain questions of fact were involved, was allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty granted to approach a civil court. Stop. Next paragraph. Ms. S.A. Sheikh and Council Petition submits that pursuant to the withdrawal of the writ petition, the petitioner had approached the competent civil court wherein a decree, where's the thing?
Yeah, page 27, Lordship.
Wherein the suit was decreed in her favor with a declaration that she was the legally married wife of late Hazrat Ali, and that out of said wedlock the 2 minor children were born. He therefore praised that in view of the decree, the respondents be directed to allow 50% of the pension to the petitioner, who is the second wife of the petitioner. Stop. Next paragraph. MS Arakonli Learned Counsel with the petitioner submits that next paragraph. MS Arakonli appearing for respondent cooperation has drawn attention of this court to where that representation you said?
Page 35, my lord.
Page 35. Has drawn attention of this court to a representation dated 29/5/2023, filed by the petitioner before the respondents, claiming for 50% of the said family pension. He submits that in view of the developments and in view of the decree of the civil court, the respondent will be allowed to examine the same and pass orders within a period of 6 weeks.
My lord, 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
My lord, I'm praying
6
for
months or 6 weeks.
Lordship, the more the better, my lord. But I'm
The more
praying
the
for
merrier,
6
you
since
will say.
because it's already May last year, my lord. This is
May
quite
last
long,
year, Lordship.
so I can't make much prayer.
6 weeks.
Yes,
8 weeks, my lord. Otherwise,
8 weeks with him, no?
I'm grateful, lordship.
Is for 8 weeks to police. You go.
Is there this law?
Pass orders on the representation when a period of 8 weeks stop. Next, by having heard the council of parties and view the concession made by the United Council for Responsible Cooperation, this represents disposal of direction that the representation, which is annexure
8, Lordship.
8 representation shall be taken up for disposal by the Responsible Corporation, and the same shall be complete within the period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of copy of this order. Yes. Matter stands closed and disposed of it.
Item number 4.
My please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, I'm with a limited prayer for disposal of the representation. Here,
limited prayer, and of course, prayer sometimes leads to.
Lordship, but this is in regard to pension, my lord.
Also pension?
Lordship.
You're serving where?
No, I was appointed, my lord, by the administrator, my lord, as a non-teaching staff.
You retired when? Sorry.
He died in
I
harness,
died in harness, my
He
lord.
died
The
in
petition
harness
died
in
in
the year
harness.
2014.
my lord.
14?
Yes,
14,
and the representation has come through his wife in the year 2023,
22,
Your Lordship.
Even then it's a continuing, right? I mean,
Lordship.
Yeah,
pension
it's
is-
okay, Your Lordship. But we may be given time to seek instructions and file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. A.G. Moment, Learned Counsel Petition issue notice. Ms. T. Yang, led AAG with so-and-so is present on behalf of respondents number
1 to 6.
1 to 6, and Mr. K.
Karwan
Lang on behalf is present on behalf of 1 to 7. So no further notice called for. This is matter up to 4 weeks for instructions to affidavit. Next paragraph, it is made clear that the pendency of petition cannot stand the way of the respondent settling the case of the petitioner. Yes.
Item number 5.
I have filed the fresh petition for condonation.
Now it's come to 2,400 days.
600 days more.
2,310 days.
600 days more, my lord, from the date of filing the CRP in 2022.
How do you expect 2,000 days to be condoned?
I had been engaged in the litigation, my lord. Couldn't help it.
You have explained the delay day by day.
Yes, my lord.
Take down this case number 5234. There's an application for condonation of delay of a period of
1686.
As per office note, condition of 2310 days of delay as shown in the office note in preferring the connected civil religion application. Issue notice on the condition application. Steps to be taken within 3 days.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes, up to 3 weeks. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
May please, Your Lordship. Should they have filed the affidavit? My humble submission is in view of the affidavit, the matter can be disposed of, my Lordship has already disposed of.
What did it say in the affidavit?
They said that the proposal for regulation had already been sent.
Who's appearing for the state respondent?
Appearing for the statement.
Now, what affidavit you filed, let's see?
I filed yesterday.
Yesterday it was filed, my Lord.
Take it out. What's that?
Lordship, a similar matter was this was regarding this Tura government school. If Lordship is pleased to, there, my Lord, that was post of sweeper. Same position, my Lord. Lordship is pleased to come to page 9 of the affidavit.
Oh, the affidavit?
Yes.
Affidavit?
Yes, Lordship. Page 9, annexure 3.
Yes.
So this was the letter of 30th September 2019. His name is at number 1. The matter which Lordship had disposed of was number 2, my Lord, Dilip.
Yes, Mr.
And
you agree to this?
My Lord, let the principal file the...
What will the principal do?
It's a matter of regulation, my Lord.
There are some points to...
Some problems will live with the principal.
There's no problem.
You come with instructions after 1 week. As heard Mr. S. Deb, counsel petitioner, the learned counsel submits at the outset that this case is covered by a judgment of this court rendered in judgment of the court dated 19/3/2024, rendered in WPC 170 of 2023. He prays that this matter be disposed of along the same lines. Mr. A. Momin, on behalf of
Respondent 124.
124, you file the affidavit.
I filed it.
Submits that affidavit has been filed and the case of the petitioner has been sent for consideration.
Yes, sir.
For realization stuff. However, Mr. So-and-so on behalf of the respondent number 5, please will out to obtain instructions. Yes, accordingly. Yes, the matter after 1 week for instructions or affidavit by the respondent number 5 or 4? 5. Don't run away, the order's not over yet. Yes. Yes, accordingly. And so.
Item number 2.
Any developments?
Yes, Your Lordship. The development is this: the government has approved the upgradation.
The finance department has approved.
Yes.
Let them.
We'll file it by way of an
Yes, let them file the affidavit.
MSP Yangi Leonard AAG with so and so submits that the government in the finance.
Government of Meghalaya is pleased to upgrade the pay scale for the post of court officers as follows: from level 11 to level 16, as
From
prayed
level
for.
11, level 16. Yes. Let's see that. You're going to copy to.
I've given them just now, Your Lordship.
Then we can dispose it off. Why keep it pending?
No, my Lord, there are some legal issues, my Lord. Let them file the affidavit. Lord, what they've done is they modified the 2018 notification, my Lord. That is within their powers. But pursuant, subsequent to 2019, when the new rules have come into effect, my Lord, the letter issued by the High Court, my Lord, by the RG in 2022, that has to be, action has to be taken on that.
Yes,
Let them file by way of
affidavit. MSP Yangi submits that the issue since been resolved and the petitioners. Sorry, not petitioners, and the pay level of the court has placed the pay level of the court officer at par with the pay scale of the superintendent, stamp reporter, and protocol officer in pay level 16. An office memorandum dated 3rd April 2024 has been produced to this effect. Mr. Pinambri, our praise that the same be placed on affidavit to enable them to reply if necessary. Accordingly, this is matter after. You'll file affidavit after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
After it, we file the meanwhile, yes. 1 week you file it. Yes.
Item number 3.
Please,
Yes,
Your
joined the
Lordship.
file.
Your Lordship, I humbly pray before Your Lordship to kindly allow
You won't
us
file the joiner
3
anymore.
We will be filing, Your Lordship. Can you grant us 3 weeks?
How many times have you taken?
This will be my 3rd time, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, third and final chance, yes. 2 weeks time as a final opportunity granted for joiner affidavit by the petitioner list thereafter and so on. So file it.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter respondent.
Yes, Ms. Onion.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 5. Lordship, I pray for some more time to file affidavit.
6. You file the affidavit. What about 124? Where's Ailingwa? One to four. What's the matter about?
Land composition matter, Lordship.
This MS Pradhan is also for you won't be filing for MS Island of 1 to 4 and another 1 to 5 pray for and allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. So Mississippi Sangma for respond number 6 submits the no affidavit before coming from the respond number 6. Oh, then fine, no need to click on this also. But can I? Wait, throw in the type of in order last. Yes.
Item number 5.
Like me, keep up.
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks time to file my rejoinder.
Rejoinder 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks further time as prayed allowed. Petitioner to file rejoinder affidavit. This is the after. Yes.
Hello, Lordship.
6.
Yes, Mr. P.G. Sama.
Lordship, there is supposed to file
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
This is not payment of the bill, because I have completed the contract bill, because I have completed
certified
the
bill?
Yes.
Admitted dues?
There are dues, Lordship.
Where is that?
There is there, Lordship. Annexure 1 also is there, that is mentioned the amount also. Some about 80.
This is a tender value.
Tender value.
Where have they said that they certified that they've taken over the work?
In the completion report, my lord, the Annexure 2, they have mentioned amounting to this one.
Okay.
Successfully completed, amounting to rupees 80,55,670.
Why are you not filing affidavit?
I'll be
When
filing,
you
Your
file
Lordship.
this? December
2 weeks, Your
2023. Notice matter has been filed since 2023. No, after it has been filed, instructions received by the respondents. Otherwise, you produce the records, you'll dispose it of. This is matter for 2 weeks. It's expected, but next week everyone should be on board. Otherwise, we'll call the engineer concerned, we'll ask for the papers, dispose it of.
Item 7.
Yes.
Right, Lordship.
Much press, Lordship.
The affidavit from the respondents are awaited.
Your Lordship, we're finalizing the affidavit, so I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Number 3,
Similar prayer for respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
the private respondent.
Private respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Members that only pay response allowed for the 2 weeks' time for affidavit. What is your name?
SKH Nongrum, Your Lordship. SKH Nongrum.
SK Changrum. On behalf of respondent 3, this similar prayer. Prayer is allowed this after 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
8.
Yes, you're drawing it.
Lordship, I leave it to Lordship discretion. Lordship, if I'm allowed one submission, this honourable court has already disposed of in writ petition.
Cash available now.
Lordship,
Then?
I leave it to Lordship, honourable
Yes,
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. S. Pandey instructions, it is allowed to be allowed to withdraw this petition to file before the appropriate forum, that is the Central Absolute Tribunal at Guwahati. Accordingly, matters stands, prayers allowed, stands withdrawn with the liberty to the petitioner to approach the appropriate, to approach CAT Guwahati. Yes.
9.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
9.
It's a similar matter, Lordship.
Why running away?
Similar order, Lordship.
Similar order, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
10.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder.
We'll give you 2 weeks, yes. What's your name?
S. William.
S. William. S. William for the counsel the petitioner prays for allowed 2 weeks time for rejoinder after its respondents list also.
Item 11.
Please, Lordship, this is a non-payment of the gratuity.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your
Judgment
Lordship, I
benefited.
humbly pray 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file affidavit.
This is from a GCDC?
Lordship.
Yes,
You
Your
never
Lordship.
get anything.
Because I supposed to.
The first time you ask for time? No.
This is the third time.
How many more times you going to drag this matter till you pay gratuity? The amount has been fixed.
Amount is not fixed, but it is there. He's entitled for gratuity, retirement. Whatever.
Entitled,
They
of
will.
course.
They will.
Energy prays for and allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This is the last one, so.
First place, Lordship.
12.
Ahmed, says Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter will need some more time, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Why?
Lordship, instruction have been obtained, Your Lordship.
As prayed further 2 weeks time granted, yes? As prayed 2 weeks time granted respondents to file their respective affidavits. This thereafter and so on.
Next item also, Your Lordship, same order.
Item 14.
Obliged.
Same gratuity also?
No, this is for appointment of Gangburai, Lordship, without election, Your Lordship. Lordship, they are not.
What time? You just entered appearance or you entered last time?
No, last time they have appeared.
Then?
Because the Lordship, here I beg to submit because I filed a miscase to stay that because he was appointed without that appointment of
When was he
Gangburai.
appointed? When?
Lordship. I was appointed.
No, he said he appointed when?
Private respondent.
Yes.
Was appointed in 20.
When was he appointed?
Yes, this one, 14, Annexure 14, Lordship. The executive committee to the.
How do you see it? Is it
on
fact?
25
What are the
January
elections?
2024.
Page 14.
Page 91. 91.
Yes.
This, may I just read, Your Lordship?
1 second, let him.
Page 41. That's the impugned order.
It's only till July.
Yes, it was an interim arrangement because the election could not be held because of the disturbance caused by the public. So we have made an interim arrangement.
Disturbance caused by him?
No, no.
By the public. I am not
the
blaming
public
anyone.
because they are misrepresented.
And
facts.
he was the
what
son,
happened
he is the son of the
no.
earlier Gaupura.
It's not like that. But the rule is very clear.
You are the headman.
There should be an election because the rule is very clear.
See, there's some circumstances they have not had election. This order says that the little committee of so and so is piece of appoints Sri Rizal Karim so and so Gaupura with immediate effect from 21.
For 6
it's
months.
just an arrangement.
Lordship.
And the council has the power
for
administrative purposes to do that.
No, there is an inquiry also, Your Lordship, in the Annex 3. They themselves have stated there are 3 candidates. The Annex page 89 of my petition.
If Lordship will see page 90.
That is in Garo, but the translation part in the page 90.
One second.
Lordship.
We were supposed to hold the election, but because of the disturbance, it could not be held. 2 factions, the claims and counterclaims.
So
we have made the interim arrangement.
You make sure that there's no disturbance.
No, not at all disturbance. If there is any disturbance, what prevents them from filing the FIR or taking a legal action against me? This is just a verbal submission. They don't have any substance to prove that I have disturbed. I have never disturbed them.
And if Lordship sees he's relying
I'm one of the candidates. I'm the candidate.
He's relying on the order passed by this honourable court. Lordship will see Annexure 6, page 93.
I'm the candidate.
Lordship will be pleased to come
because
to the last page.
It is very clear.
It's okay, Mr. Don't get too excited. It's all right.
Lordship.
You're the candidate. If your people select you, you'll be selected.
Yes, that's why.
So just wait. Let's see what he has to say.
Page 96, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Page 96, paragraph 9.
Yes.
Lastly, the question of inquiry against the respondent 3 does not arise as there is no complaint against him. Besides that, his appointment was illegal since he was selected. Secretary is directed to conduct fresh inquiry after giving full opportunity to petitioner to defend himself. In the meantime, appointment of so-and-so as well as termination order of the petitioner are hereby set aside. This part, my lord, the Secretary GHC is further directed to look after the affairs of so-and-so and so-and-so village and to complete inquiry within 15 days from the date of receipt of the copy of the judgment and order. Thereafter, if he feels that fresh election is required, he may proceed with fresh election after giving full opportunity to petitioner as well as to respondent. So, it's not a mandatory thing, my lord, that sometimes because of the situation we have an interim arrangement. That is
But
my
then the person died.
Yes, here the person died.
Died, I mean, now you're given to the son.
Yes. Yes, just for a period of 6 months.
It's hereditary. Hitman also. Gaupura.
No, he also had the support.
There is no such rule where the family member can be appointed.
Yes.
I have the rule. That's unfortunately I even quoted that rule also. It is mentioned there in my para also. I have mentioned that rule very particularly.
We'll hear it.
Yes, we file the affidavit.
But 3 candidate inquiry has been conducted.
But you can't have it like that also just by imposing someone just because he's a son of the old Gaupura to impose him on the villagers also. They have a right to elect the person that they want.
Yes.
As per the rules, yes.
No, we are not saying that
I'm not saying that I should be elected, but there should be a proper election. Whoever wins, I have no objection.
Inquiry report also is just 1 paragraph.
Yes, that is inquiry report is done by the GHTC only.
I don't know whether his translation is correct, but one.
Well, it is there in the page.
Who can read Garo?
Page 89. Page 89. Of course, that is the real original. This is conducted by the. This is the staff of the GHTC. But I have translated. There is nothing actually. I have not misinterpreted anything wrong. If not believing, somebody can also help because this is the fact. Because there's a 3 candidates, 3 persons.
See, the thing is that what it says is that when it was for inquiry, there are 2 candidates. That is, you are the one candidate. You are Nur Alum Sadiq.
Yes, Lordship.
And Mr. Sheikh's client is the other candidate. Correct.
Lordship.
And then this inquiry officer says that then some people want election, some didn't want.
Yes.
So that's why. And others wanted to appoint him without election.
Yes.
So therefore, it is discretion. And what is discretion? Instead of
25th
January appointed him. You give concrete date when you will hold elections.
As a
Elections have to
stopgap,
be held.
allow me. This is only the second time the matter is coming. Allow us to file the
matter
affidavit.
has been. He entered appearance since February.
He has filed on 9th February 24. We'll file the affidavit.
As the undertakes to obtain instructions within 2 weeks. Yes. So also Mr. S.A. Sheikh is allowed, Mr. S.A. for respond number 4 is also allowed to file an affidavit within the period.
No, Lordship, because they're just taking time. Yes, Lordship.
Time will go off.
Lordship.
Within 2 weeks you file it.
Most blessed, Lordship. Highly obliged.
15.
May it please your Lordship. My Lord, the matter is coming up for the 5th time.
1 rupee 34 paisa difference.
Oh, that is on the financial aspect, my Lord. But the intriguing features that your Lordship will notice. Your Lordship permitted us to take steps through Dasti on the private respondents. We took steps on the private respondents, and there we came to learn that all of the private respondents are residing in the same house. They are related to one another. One is father and his son, along with the aunt. 3 persons from the same family quoted the exactly same rates, and eventually one of them comes out as the selected tenderer. Now, despite the opportunities granted to them, and your Lordships have repeated it time and again to file the affidavit, my Lord, no affidavit is forthcoming.
Till date haven't filed.
No.
Lordship, I pray
Why?
for some more time, Lordship. Lordship, we grant last chance, Lordship. 2 weeks time I
Who
prepared.
appeared last time? MS Kolni?
Yes.
Oh, Lordship.
And there
I'm appearing along
Tactical
with the Advocate General, Lordship.
retreat.
And your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing along, I'm assisting the Advocate General in this matter, Lordship.
Okay, we'll have it on thing. We'll have it on 16. We'll dispose of the matter on that day. This way, that way. With or without affidavit.
In the end,
well, if what senior counsel is correct, if all the other bidders, barring the petitioner, stay under one roof,
Lordship.
you have to show the court that that kind of bidding process also is permissible as per law. That there's no bar or there's no cartelization.
Lordship.
That yet has to come on the affidavit.
Lordship.
That whatever it is, notwithstanding the circumstances and the allegations that they've made, that there are 4 bidders.
4 bidders.
3
but
bidders.
there were 5, my Lord. One was disqualified.
One was disqualified. 4 bidders were there. 3 stay on the same roof. And his bid is higher by 1 rupee to the entire same amount they all bid. How will that be permissible?
Lordship. Lordship, if you can just grant me some more time, Lordship, matter can come up on the 22nd or 23rd. I'll prepare affidavit and I'll file him. Can have the arguments.
We'll pass interim orders. We'll stop all further construction if it started or something.
No, Lordship.
And that also, your Lordship, I have brought on record by way of photographs that he has started the construction despite there being an interim observation from your Lordships.
Take a call.
Lordship, may I have it on the 18th?
You take a call. We'll have it after some time. You take instructions. So the court is inclined to pass interim orders in the absence of an affidavit. You talk to your clients. We'll have it before the hearing starts.
Yes.
Take telephone instructions.
16.
It's not that it won't be 4-1, otherwise, yes. Yes. Affidavit filed. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. This matter can come up for hearing.
No urgency. Yes, this matter. But you're not filing rejoinder.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes,
In one
Ms.
point, Your
Asiye.
Lordship, in their...
Yes. If you have anything to object to, you can come rejoinder. Otherwise, we'll post it for hearing.
Okay, file my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
And MS Askar hearing place funds allowed 2 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit filed by the respondents. List thereafter. Yes, on so.
Item 17.
This is regarding pensionary benefits for the petitioner, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have sought instructions, we've got instructions, some instructions are there, Lordship, and they've sent us some attachments, soft copy attachments, but they
What
were not
instructions say?
legible.
He hasn't been paid his pension. When did he retire?
Since 2018.
2018, Your Lordship.
Since 18, he haven't given pension.
Your Lordship, we had forwarded a service book to the AG. They did ask for some clarification, which is, we are still collecting. Some of them have been collected, but we are a little handicapped, Your Lordship, because of the elections.
What?
I was serving as in the office of the...
He was a
Deputy
senior
Commissioner.
enumerator in the election office, Your Lordship. Now, from the election office, we have sought instructions, but we are not getting it at the moment, Your Lordship. Full instructions have not been received from Garo Hills.
It's very unfortunate.
We understand, Your Lordship.
Stuck between
But we've received a letter that it's under process and they want some time, Your Lordship. I can produce a copy of the letter if Your Lordship wishes.
Or there's some mistake due to retirement.
Not the date of retirement. They've asked whether he was appointed in a sanctioned post, whether he was confirmed, why he was not given.
You take down MS.
Many
Yangi,
queries had
AG,
been made.
So and so has submitted the instructions have been received, and they are in the process of filing the affidavit. Stop. MS Ufasa for 7, 8, and 9 submitted affidavit will be filed shortly. According to this matter, after 2 weeks, expected on next year.
3 weeks,
should be
Your
on board.
Lordship, please.
2 weeks. Pension matters. This you know this code. Pension matters. They are given high priority.
Thank you, Lordship.
18.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
You file affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, the respondent number 2, Your Lordship, has not appeared, Your Lordship, despite of service. So kindly...
My Lord, may have page 11.
Number 2 is whom?
The selected candidate who has qualified. Was notice issue? Just check. Last orders. Page 11, my Lord.
Of your affidavit?
Of the affidavit.
He has not been appointed.
She's been appointed, my Lord.
Then?
My Lord, but it's a crystal clear case that she has been selected based on her consolidated marks in written exams and interview.
Have you seen the affidavit?
Yes, my Lord, but my Lord, my humble submission is that some avertments need to be replied in rejoinder, my Lord.
You want to file a rejoinder?
Yes, my Lord.
But if the score sheet says that you, Sophia Nongse, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
This other one, respondent number 2 is Keba Mary Nongrum.
Yes, my Lord.
So she's ahead of you, see.
My Lord,
total
but
marks
that...
obtained. Now she got 30.26393, you got 87.
That's the average marks of the interview based on the total.
Anyway, let her fight for her satisfaction. MSS Nongse, please allow how much time? 1 week's time to file rejoinder? 2 weeks time to the affidavit.
And my Lord, let the order dated 11 March 2024 continue, my Lord.
11 March?
Yes, my Lord. Wherein my Lord has specifically mentioned in the order that any appointment will be the outcome of this writ, my Lord.
Okay, yes. Yes, sir. It already said that, that means it will be outcome. We don't need to extend it. It will be result of writ petition.
Let it continue, my Lord.
That doesn't need to continue. It's already continuing
Yes,
till it ends. Yes. This after 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged.
Item 19.
Sure, hearing is hot with the matter.
Your Lordship, steps have been taken for respondent number 5 to 21.
Number?
Respondent number 5 to 21 steps have been taken for issuing of notice.
Where's the state? Nobody is appearing.
Sir, MD Shulai last time appeared.
The council is in the other bench, Your Lordship.
I don't see any other bench.
Not sure, Lord.
There's a bench outside somewhere. Sitting on a bench or he's up before another bench?
I think so, Lordship.
Sitting on a bench, having tea. Yes. What instructions do you have?
Lordship, I pray for some time, Lordship, to get instructions and file affidavit.
What's the matter about?
This is, we are challenging the appointment appointment order dated 10 January 2024, where out of 34 candidates who were considered successful for the post of assistant teacher, 17 of the candidates completed the course of 18 months, Your Lordship, DLE and it is not as prescribed by the NCTE, minimum qualification.
Mr. H. Karwanlang for 124. You've taken steps, sir. Let's see.
For respondent number 5 to 21, Your Lordship.
5 to 21. The selected candidates.
17, Your Lordship.
Yes, office note indicates that service is not yet completed on the by response of 5 to 21. Stop next one, Ms. H. Karwanlang. Learned additional synergy also placed for further time to fill affidavit on behalf of the respondent 124. This is the matter after 3 weeks for affidavit for appearance of the respondents. Yes.
Item 20.
Lordship, we are awaiting instruction. However, I would like to draw your Lordship's attention, my Lord, to page 10 of the petition.
Page?
Before that, my Lordship will kindly have page 4, paragraph 3.
Yes.
Humble petition is entitled for payment of one-time settlement or one-time payment after taking voluntary retirement, such as dearness allowance, arrears, revised pay, and other service benefits, retirement benefits, after he was released from service. But GHDC respondents have not paid the pending dues of the petitioner till date, even after a period of 2 years from the date of his voluntary retirement. Therefore, he pray that direction may be issued to GHDC respondent to pay the pending dues of dearness allowance, arrears, revised pay, and other service benefits to the petitioner. And this is his case, my Lord. Lordship will kindly have page 10, annexure 2. My Lord, if I may read, the Executive Committee GHADC Tura is pleased to accept the resignation, my Lord. He has not taken VRS, he has resigned.
So?
And Lordship is aware that, and Lordship may kindly read again, further, tendered by so-and-so is, and hereby released from the council service with effect from 2nd November 2021.
Went to golden handshake also.
Yes, yes.
No, I have not even received the even golden handshake also.
You didn't go and shake the hand? No.
Even if they resign also, I am entitled for whatever is due they supposed to pay.
So give him 1 lakh, close the case.
Yes, only this 1 lakh, if he has not paid, we will take instruction on that. But
they have not
no.
Mr. P.T. Sangma submits that the petitioner who had taken voluntary retirement has not been paid his dues, such as DA and arrears and so on, and etc. Stop. Next part. However, Mr. S. Deb, on behalf of the respondent, has drawn attention of the court to the release order dated 2nd November 2021, which reflects that the petitioner had tendered his resignation, which was accepted, and was also awarded a golden handshake package of rupees 1 lakh.
Nowhere in the petition he has said that he has not received this 1 lakh.
No,
He is
I have not received even this one also.
Lordship may see the petition, my Lord.
He has not
can
received.
point out.
With the golden shake and other benefit also.
In his view of the matter, Mr. P. has to obtain specific instructions from the instructions on the next date. Otherwise, we'll close it.
But Lordship, even if we are resignation, voluntary retirement also,
There are two different things.
Yes.
Just after 1 week
Lordship.
for instructions.
There will be 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes.
Lordship. Much pleasure.
Item 21.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent 1 and 2. Lordship. On behalf of respondent 1 and 2.
4 and 5. None appears for the petitioner. MS so-and-so for 1 and 2, and MS so-and-so for 4 and 5, pray for and allowed for the 2 weeks time affidavit. This thereafter and so on. Yes.
Second call, item 15.
Where's my Karwanlang? You obtain instructions?
Lordship, the learned Archival Data will be appearing this matter, Lordship, and he has prayed that if the matter can be taken up at 2 o'clock, Lordship, he'll be appearing this matter, Lordship.
Where's the affidavit?
Lordship, I'll be filing the affidavit, Lordship. Can
In the course of the day?
No, Lordship, if can
We want some statement of the affidavit before it is disposed of.
Lordship, grant me at least a week's time, I'll prepare the affidavit and...
Now is the 10th.
10th, Lordship.
You've listed the matter on 16th. Stop and first take down, Shah. Though records are produced by the counsel respondent on the last date, you didn't appear last time, that's why. What are the records still with you now?
Records are here, Lordship.
Yes. Should you file a affidavit or should you examine the records?
My lord, if the records are here, my lord, I may be permitted to see the records and your lordship can decide it today itself. Because, my lord, why I am saying so, my lord, they have started with the construction and every day's delay, my lord.
Have you flagged them?
The instructions, the construction will go on. Thereafter, my petition will become infructuous.
Is construction of what? Of that community hall? No.
Oh, yes. Stadium. Now, they delayed it. It was to be done, started in the month of October. They delayed it for so long. And the moment I come to court, the moment I come to court, my lord, they start everything with on full swing. You have a copy of this with you?
I don't know. I'll give you a copy.
You file affidavit then.
Watch.
Repeated representations from your side. It's not only once, yes.
Yes, my lord. The reason I am telling you, I am just showing you, your lordship, my lord, why I filed the representation. In
many representations, not only one. With regard to price valuation, a lot of representations filed by you and how they even considered cancelling the tender process at one point of time. Let them file affidavit
My Lord, but I'll humbly submit, my Lord, there should be an order of restraint, my Lord. Otherwise, my Lord,
let the file affidavit. We'll have it on 11th, 16th. Then file.
My Lord, at least till that date, my Lord, I have brought ample materials.
They have not said they've settled anyone here.
Yes, the work is going on, my Lord. They have settled it. Your Lordship will kindly see the last.
They have decided, but they have not.
No, Your Lordship will kindly see page 55, my Lord. Page 55 of the writ petition. They have settled it, and thereafter the construction has also started. On the last occasion, I submitted an affidavit along with the photographs, my Lord, that the construction is going on. Now, if the constructions come up, my Lord, there, Your Lordship have seen that from the day one, my Lord, they are
only one part you see that they have to satisfy the court is that fair enough, even 1 rupee makes him the L2, but when he called for renegotiations, whether it was,
and there was no condition in the tender that there will be renegotiation.
No, since they were all equal bids, we'll look to that. But let them file affidavit. It'll be better.
Well, I'm absolutely.
Let it go an affidavit.
Well, I'm absolutely with that, my Lord, that they should file an affidavit.
Yes,
but my only submission is
that produced today, examination the same reflects that an affidavit is necessary to be filed by the respondents. Mr. S. Datta, Senior Counsel, has submitted that the work has since commenced. It is made clear that any further work, if the submission is correct, will be subject to orders of this court. This is the matter on 16th. Yes.
Your Lordship may kindly observe that it will be on for final disposal.
Yes, 16th. And they were submitted disposal of. Let them file affidavit.
And one thing, my Lord, if this copy can be given to me, in that case, my Lord, I can immediately come with the rejoinder.
Advance copy. Yes. You give me email.
27.
Well, let there be an order from Your Lordship, my Lord. Otherwise, my Lord,
advance copy be given by email.
Lordship. So if you
got
give
that.
me your email address, I can.
Yes.
If you can give an email address, I can mail it to you.
Your Lordship has seen this similar, despite there being on the first day, Your Lordship observed that the settlement will be subject to outcome. Still thereafter, my Lord, they are continuing with it. And I have placed on record the photographs, my Lord, how they are carrying out the construction.
Might be some other work, God knows.
No, my Lord.
We can't say,
No, my Lord.
Mr. Datta, we cannot go on, on hearsay.
At least, my Lord, Your Lordship
secondary evidence.
At least, my Lord, Your Lordship can take my submission.
That, yes.
Submission at the bar, my Lord.
You recorded your submission.
Your Lordship may at least record this.
We recorded that, Mr. Datta. We recorded that.
27.
Yes.
So 16th, my Lord.
Can you just show it to me? Sorry, 28.
27. What we have? No, let him find an affidavit. This is better.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if this matter can be taken up next week, Your Lordship.
File kara. Boleh Vina? Yes, Mr. Samar, urgent.
Well, actually, the nature is not quite urgent, but the only dispute here, my lord, is with regards to the alteration and change of a name.
Yes, sir, I remember. Yes, a request of MSc Nongklau by Mr. Vishkan. This is matter after 1 week. Yes. What to do? Files disappeared also.